Hello everyone and welcome to my video again. And today I will tell you how to use Korean transportation subway in Seoul. Once we arrive at the subway station, we will see a lot of vending machine. Vending machine is selling T-money card that we can use it for transportation such as subway or bus. In addition, we can use T-money card at convenience stores such as 7-Eleven and GS25. First thing to do is change language to English version. After we receive a card, we have to start to top up the money in this card with the amount that we want to top up. Top up riêng ở bên đằng lột là cho dân trong đẹp 10,000 won
충전하신 금액 발표를 눌러주십시오. 마감 충전입니다. 충전하신 금액을 투입하시면 충전이 진행됩니다. 충전이 끝날 때까지 기다려주세요. 충전이 완료되었습니다. 교통카드를 가져가십시오. 영수증 발행이 완료되었습니다.
This is how we can transfer from a station to another station. We have to download this program on our smartphone for using it. Let's see my introduction here. We have to select our departure station and our arrival station. And then it will show the screen. I selected the arrival station because of my hostel is located nearby the station Jongno-uga. The important thing that I want to tell you that firstly you have to know that where will you want to go. After this you can search on Google Map and the Google Map will show you how many stations that you have to cross off and follow by this instruction. So then you can go to everywhere that you want to go. One more example, I would like to show you how to go to Myeongdong from Jongno-uga station where my hotel is. The result is on the screen and you can see it is one stop, so we have to get off at Dongdaemun station and continue start from Dongdaemun to Myeongdong. It means that you have to transfer to another train. In this point, I will tell you how about to go to Namsan Seoul Tower from Myeongdong. So let's take a look. This screen is show you that you have to get off to stop away, and it means that you have to transfer to town. You grab a train at Myeongdong and have to get off at Jongworo, and then you have to transfer to Ogum station and get off at Yaksu. Transfer again from Eungam station to Hangangjin station. It is not difficult at all. You can see the station that you have to grab a train. So you go to find the station on the screen and see it on the platform or the wall that direction show you about. I forgot to tell you about the fee that we have to pay for one round of subway train. We have to pay 1,250 won, equal about $1. Thank you everyone for watching my video and see you next time. And please click subscribe on my channel for getting the future video.